we are on. Tan, 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 tan. I'm making my own song here. Okay, listen guys, welcome. क्या होता है ना जिंदगी में जब एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सिंगर कंपोजर लिरिसिस्ट के साथ एक और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सिंगर कंपोजर लिरिसिस्ट ऑल्सो आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग आ जाते हैं तो बहुत ही मतलब ब्यूटी का ना वो एक समंदर जैसा हो जाता है मेरे स्टूडियो के अंदर एंड दैट इज प्रिसाइसली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड व्हाट दे हैव डन इज दे हैव क्रिएटेड समथिंग व्हिच इफ आई मे रिस्पेक्टफुली कॉल इज अ रिक्रिएशन व्हिच हैज बीन रिक्रिएटेड बट इट इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल दैट आई एम स्विमिंग इन दिस लवली ओशन ऑफ ब्यूटी राइट नाउ इट्स कॉल्ड द सॉन्ग इज कॉल्ड एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. And the boys are right here in my studio. I've got Roger Colley and Darshan Rawal. इतनी एक्साइटमेंट. ये तभी होती है जब दिल से गाना पसंद आया होता है, पता है?
दिल से गाना पसंद आया.
दिल से वो दिल.
ये दूसरा गाना है. एक लड़की को देखा तो अच्छा लगा. दिल से भी रिक्रिएट करेंगे लेकिन मैं नहीं करूंगा because रहमान सर is my like भगवान. So I won't do that.
And R.D. Burman साहब was not.
R.D. Burman साहब के वक्त पे मतलब unfortunately मैं नहीं था. But I think this song, the recreation that was happening, सबसे बड़ा challenge ये था that it's an R.D. song and R.D. के followers and I'm also big fan of his. So सबसे बड़े जो fan है उनके वो विजय विनोद चोपड़ा सर है. So और उन्होंने उनके साथ बैठ के गाना बनाया था. So when he made this song and when he heard the recreation he bounced like and he abused me left right center.
Wow.
And said that this is not working. So and the song that you're hearing right now is the 12th version.
Are you serious? This is amazing trivia right here for you guys. जब मैं actually ये बोलने वाली थी opening the show कि R.D. sir is somewhere smiling down upon you. He's very happy. Don't worry.
Really hope.
You have his blessings because I think it is a fantastic version. It is a refreshing sound in terms of all the recreations that are happening right now. And I'm not just saying that because I like you guys, but I genuinely really like the song. And since it's released, we've been humming it left, right, and center. We've been playing it on our radio stations. So yay!
Amazing. Thank you.
दर्शन भी आज पहली बार आए हैं. रोचक भी somehow पहली बार ही है मेरे शो पे. इतने सालों से हम जानते हैं एक दूसरे को, but we never really sort of sat here like a formal official interview. But it's nice to have you, Rochak.
Thank you.
And दर्शन बहुत कम बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसे मैं ही बातें करी जा रही हूँ.
वो गाएगा अभी.
हाँ, मैं सीधा गाऊंगा.
सीधा गाओगे. But I have
So
to.
Darshan थोड़े शॉक में भी है. So we were just having lunch at at a place nearby. So he just got literally mobbed. So so वो थोड़े अभी.
But he must be used to this.
हाँ, अभी तो थोड़ा अभी तो भी कभी एकदम से जब हो जाता है when you're not expecting it मॉब हो जाते हैं तो थोड़ा सा शॉक
हो जाता है अभी भी. So then you have like big like bouncers and stuff around you or what is it? अभी वो लेवल नहीं पहुंचा.
कॉन्सर्ट्स में थोड़ा करते हैं क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ हो जाती है तो people start hitting also. थोड़ा प्यार बढ़ जाता है. They want to catch you, snatch you. तो वहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी बाकी तो
मतलब कपड़े वपड़े फाड़ देते हैं.
I know I heard somewhere that somebody tore your shirt or t-shirt.
गर्ल्स tore my shirt ऐसे सारे कपड़े ऐसे एक साइड से पकड़ा था. Throwing some water on me.
Oh jeez.
All that.
And what was he expecting? 6 packs.
Before the reality comes out, I ran away. मैं भाग गया.
इज्जत बचा के भाग गया.
This is amazing, guys. Listen, I have to take you back to the song now क्योंकि हमारी ये चटर पटर तो चलती रहेगी नहीं तो. So just very seriously coming down to the composition and what you've done with it, Rochak, I must say एक तो वो जो आपने मेलोडी के ऊपर lyrics बिठा दिए.
Yeah.
That I think for me that is the genius of the song.
Yeah, so
because 1994 में कोई उसको पिक्चर भी नहीं कर सकता था कि अगर हम इस मेलोडी पे अभी लिरिक्स गाएंगे तो कितने खूबसूरत लगेंगे.
Yeah, because अगर हम ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग देखें it's got parts and सारे जो parts हैं वो बहुत amazing है और उनके ऊपर अलग अलग गाने बन सकते हैं. So Gurpreet, who's also a new lyricist, so he's doing the entire album with me. Wow. So he's done a fabulous job on lyrics and I guess conviction जो सबकी होती है एक साथ, so that makes a song. So even Vinod sir का input, Shelly जो director है उनका inputs, and of course when I'm telling you the 12th version, so we have made different 11 versions, मेरे पास सारे पड़े हुए हैं.
What do you think? What happened? What was absolutely right about this, or did he just give up? Like, okay, whatever, now let's just release the damn thing.
No, I think the turning point was when we removed the जैसे जैसे part, जैसे ना 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 ना
Oh my
जैसे.
God!
So that's where it hit him, and he said that this is working. So because otherwise, ना, it was getting compared. कि यार वो मजा नहीं आ रहा है या वो चीज नहीं, वो मैजिक नहीं हो रहा है.
And
So
yet-
then I figured out कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है मैजिक, because I am trying to make what RD has created that time.
God.
So we just took a bold decision. We said, चलो remove करते हैं, let's experiment with this, and that is what the audience is also loving. So
Yet there is a confession. There's a very close friend circle of mine who was actually telling me that we are missing that part. Maybe they
Yeah.
don't know that if you had actually put it in, it may not
नहीं
have
गाना
worked
खराब
that
हो
well.
जाता है. नहीं होता, because इतना मैजिक नहीं होता जो जैसे अभी हमको अच्छा लग रहा है गाना सुन के, because it's very unexpected.
Yes, it is.
क्योंकि वो अगर जैसे जैसे आप लेके आते हैं, so एक तो लिरिक नहीं चेंज कर सकते, because amazingly written, and also that those instruments used, that sitar piece, that tabla dugdugi used, that's just amazing. So वो नहीं करके अगर हम अपना कुछ करें तो better है, and उसको हाथ ना लगाएं, with all due respect.
Yes, absolutely, I can
So
imagine.
that's what worked.
But creating is one thing, Darshan. Even like singing it, यार, it must have been a nervousness level कुछ अलग ही होगा आपका.
Yeah, but when I'm singing, when I'm there, तो फिर मैं ये सारे thought process में नहीं जाता. I only follow what like when I was recording, I was just focusing on what Rochak wants, because it's फिर मैं जो गा रहा हूँ उसमें injustice हो जाता. मैं अगर वो डर रखता कि ये पुराना गाना है, because I wanted to and for me it was a completely new song.
Actually.
क्योंकि 90s में भी मैं जब शुरू हुआ 90s तब तक तो मैं I was not.
He's just trying to tell us how young he is, guys. Right? That's the idea.
No, but I had मेरे तो दिमाग में एक नया ही approach था. For me it was a song. I had no pressure while singing it. I was just focusing what he was telling me, what he wanted.
यार हमने ना बड़ी सारी टेक्निकल बातें कर ली यहाँ पे गाने की, and people who have not followed Jack, you need to hear the song. I think should we sing it once for
Sure.
everybody? चलो.
तेरे ख्यालों में बीते रातें, दिल मेरा मांगे एक ये दुआ, तू सामने हो और करूं मैं बातें, लम्हा रहे यूं ठहरा हुआ. पहले तो कभी मुझको ना ऐसा कुछ हुआ, दीवानी लहरों को जैसे साहिल मिला. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. ओ मेरे सोनिया चढ़ सारी गलियां में, नाल तेरे तुर चले मैं, ले चल मुझको दुनिया से तू दूर. चोरी चोरी जब तक तकिया मैं, खुद को संभाल न सकिया मैं, चढ़ गया सजना तेरा ये फितूर. मर जानी मर जानी कहनी जो थी कह ले वो बात. मर जानी मर जानी कहनी जो थी कह ले वो बात. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, वो जो इंसान है जिसने ये गाना गाया था पिक्चर में, उसने जब इसको सुना तब उसको कैसा लगा?
You're talking about Kumar
Anil
sir?
Kapoor.
Anil Kapoor. Oh yes.
Any feedback?
I met him when we recorded. Next day I met him.
Okay.
So आदि भाई ने मुझे
हाँ.
जाके मिलवाया उनसे
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
और में कि इन्होंने
गाया.
अभी जो नया वाला इन्होंने गाया. अच्छा, वेरी गुड, माय गुड. That's all.
No, he loved it because all the feedbacks were also going, coming through him also.
Right.
Because बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे involved हैं ना फिल्म में जो कि original film के part थे.
Correct.
So yeah.
Yeah, and I think it must be very great pressure on him because अभी जैसे
The
it's lot of
times
things-
I went to the washroom.
Toilet humor by Rocha Kohli. Yes. Bring it on. It's just Instagram. We're all friends here. Oh.
Actually, we are live.
बिल्कुल.
oh, we are like.
Acha, guys, I have to bring your attention to one thing. This is a man who used to work with a radio station, a very popular one. I will not name it because we are like, but
बड़ा radio station?
this is a बहुत बड़ा रेडियो स्टेशन है वो जिसमें ये काम करते थे. अभी सीन ऐसा हुआ कि वहाँ जितने भी गाने प्ले होते थे ना इनको अच्छे नहीं लगते थे. तो सोचते अब मैं अपना गाना बनाऊंगा और उसी रेडियो स्टेशन पे. What's the story like? How did this even happen, Rochak?
No, so I think radio was the best transition from, because I was a lawyer and I was working as a lawyer in Chandigarh. So it was the best transition, for me to come into the music scene because, at the radio station I realized that what people actually listen to, what they tune off, what they tune in.
Yes.
And I'm still trying to
किस
bring those
गाने को कितने
learnings.
rotates मिलते हैं?
Yeah. इसमें audience tune off कर जाती है.
Right.
Yeah, but jokes apart, it was a very good learning curve for me, and that corporate environment also got a lot of discipline in me.
Right.
Which actually musicians and artists sometimes don't have. So
Except for Darshan, he's very disciplined.
yes.
When I have complaints, I get late sometimes.
Not today. They were on time. Okay. I'm on your side, dude.
Yeah, thank you. आज भी मैं कहीं से आ रहा था तो आज मीका कहाँ से तुम्हारे, मैंने कहा ये बैंड्रा से मैं आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पर.
He said Tulsi Pipe Road. मैं कहा okay. Then I said where are you? I just crossed ceiling. मैं कहा तेरे कुछ पता है बॉम्बे का?
बॉम्बे का रहने वाला है, बॉम्बे में रहते हो तुम.
तुलसी पाइप रोड से सीलिंग जा.
मैं 6 मिनट में आई एम रीचिंग, मैप में 6 बता रहा कि कोई 6 मिनट नहीं लगे, तू अपना टाइम लेगा.
Nice.
Keeps on happening.
So yes, so that's your story. And what's yours, Darshan? I mean, we know that you came through क्या बोलूं, मतलब reality show से सब बातें शुरू हुई, ये हुआ वो हुआ. लेकिन क्या है ये, आप थे ऐसी बचपन से ही ऐसे हो?
हाँ, I always wanted to do music.
Right.
मेरी फैमिली शुरू में थोड़ा वो अगेंस्ट थे, बट मैंने सोच ही लिया था कि म्यूजिक करना था. उनका एक पहले सिर्फ उन्होंने मुझे मना किया था कि शादी के पहले आप मुंबई नहीं जाओगे.
Oh.
So they didn't allow me to go to Mumbai because उनको लगता था कि खराब हो जाते लड़के.
Right.
So I started doing YouTube. मैंने सोचा अब मुंबई नहीं जा
तो
सकते.
YouTube से शादी कर ली.
हाँ.
Yes, सही है.
I started making songs on YouTube and धीरे धीरे they started getting popular. I used to do covers पहले.
Yes.
मुझे कवर्स करना उस वक्त उतना वो अच्छा नहीं लगता बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू मेक माय ओन सॉन्ग्स, पर किसी को सुनने नहीं थे. सो फिर आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग कवर्स, पीपल स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग इट एंड देन आई केम टू द रियलिटी शो. और उसके बाद आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन डूइंग व्हाट आई वांटेड, मेक म्यूजिक, और मैं गाता हूँ. दैट्स ऑल व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सो आई एम लिविंग लाइक आई एम लिविंग माय ड्रीम. ये सब सारी चीजें मैंने सोच के रखी थी मुझे ऐसे. I want to live and I want to do this, and that's what I'm doing.
Touch wood, man. But I have to ask you. Okay, so we have a composer-singer and a composer-singer. I'm sure you guys have heard each other's work. There must be something that you really admire of Rochak's in terms of a composition or his singing pieces. I love what he sings also, and vice versa. Can we do like one, maybe like what do you like of his, and maybe you can sing that out for him, or how do you want to do it?
One thing when I first time met him also, I told him कि what happens for me. For me, it's very important in a song which has a beautiful melody and beautiful lyrics. That's what I connect to, and I think he's the best. The melody he has, I don't know where he gets from, which कहाँ से कहाँ वो उस दिल के किस कोने से he gets the melody, and so that's the thing I connect the most with him.
One song, pick one, and maybe Rochak can do that for us. One of your Rochak favorites. Yeah, hold it.
We're gonna hear it from you.
Oh, ऐसा? So we'll sing together.
Yeah.
तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह
सुंदर। ये आपका इनका फेवरेट है और ये लास्ट वीक अरमान आए थे और उनका भी ये फेवरेट है। मैं asked him कि पिछले साल के गानों में से आप अगर कोई गाना चाहते होते तो कौन सा होता है? He named this one. He sang it also very beautifully, in fact.
Because I was
most beautiful.
I was really fortunate to get, and I am, to get these kind of songs which are blended in the film so beautifully. And I think वो अभी ऐसा हो गया कि डायरेक्टर्स उसी गाने के लिए अप्रोच करते हैं जो एक वो फिल्म के साथ वाला जुड़ा होता है ना. So I really feel fortunate that this is the that song which drives the film or probably जो फिल्म के साथ चलता है. Because तेरा यारों में फिल्म के बाद जितना पिक किया है, that's amazing.
Probably.
There's one more song I really love. Pal Kaisa Pal.
Oh!
What a beautiful song.
Abhi let's sing your song.
I like the Neeti wala thing you did, the jam. That was so lovely.
मीरे का गाना.
नहीं, नीति के
Pal-
साथ you
oh,
did one
yes,
pulse.
yes,
Are you
yes,
on
yes.
the same
Yes,
pulse,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Yeah, beautiful. You want to do 2 nights? हो जाए?
Okay.
पल कैसा पल पल में जाए फिसल जाके भी पकड़ पाऊं ना. पल कैसा पल पल में जाए फिसल जाके भी पकड़ पाऊं ना. मिल के जुदा हो ना पाएगा दिल को मैं ना ख्वाहिश है इतनी सी देर तक रुकना अब की बात. चाहत के लम्हे उम्मीद में सदियां जी लूंगा मैं. ओ पल कैसा पल पल में जाए फिसल जाके भी पकड़ पाऊं ना. मिल के जुदा होना जाएगा दिल को मैं समझ पाऊं ना. समझ पाऊं ना. समझ पाऊं ना.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Let's come to Darshan's song.
Yes.
Yeah.
This boy who is actually so young that he should be doing all like sorts of atrangi, indisciplined things in life, but God knows what keeps him focused. He's setting very bad examples for all the youngsters. What pushes you, man? Really?
एक तो क्या हो गया मुझे बहुत I was very young when I got all this success and fame. So मुझे somehow क्या होता है लोग बिगड़ जाते हैं या ये हो जाते हैं. मेरा अलग डायरेक्शन में चला गया. मुझे लगा कि इतने सारे लोग मुझे पसंद कर रहे हैं और ये मैं चाहता था. मुझे ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया है कि मैं मेरे काम को मेरे म्यूजिक से मैं इतने सारे लोगों तक पहुंचूं उनके साथ कनेक्ट करूं. So I think that now every day when I get up I know that so many millions of people are following me. They're waiting for music और वो लोग मेरे साथ म्यूजिक की वजह से जुड़े हुए हैं.
So do you get time to chill also? Like do the things that your
Yeah,
age
ask-
people do?
Ask Rochan bhai, we chill a lot.
Yeah. Okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
like once in 3 months.
But
Good to know.
we cover it up.
अच्छा, like that. चलो हो जाएगा.
A minor?
Yeah, A minor.
I'll start with that word only.
Come.
तेरा जिक्र जिसमें हुआ ना हो मेरे पास ऐसा लम्हा ना हो. मैंने जिसमें तुझको मांगा नहीं मेरे लब पे ऐसी दुआ ना हो बाखुदा. मुझे खोने के बाद एक दिन तुम मुझे याद करोगे. फिर देखना मिलने की मुझसे तुम फरियाद करोगे. मुझे खो
10 minutes. So if you all have requests, please भेजो 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 अभी के अभी भेजो. We have Rochak Kohli and Darshan Rawal in the house, and this doesn't happen every day. So please send in your requests. Guys, we have a few questions here जो हमारे बाकी के इतने सारे जो डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं मिर्ची के उन्होंने भेजे हैं आपको. एक तो दर्शन ये सवाल आपसे है कि आपने जिंदगी में अभी तक चौगाड़ा कितनी बार गा दी है?
मैंने कम से कम कितनी बार काउंट नहीं किया, बट आई टेल यू ऑनेस्ट स्टोरी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ. तो पहले जब मैं परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जाता था तो मैं बड़ा कॉन्शियस होता था क्योंकि सेट प्रिपेयर होता था. तो 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटे का सेट, मतलब जो 2 घंटा गाएंगे, तो टेंशन रहती थी कि अगर 2 घंटे के बाद ज्यादा परफॉर्म करना पड़ा तो क्या है, गाने ये है. अब ये हो गया कि 2 घंटे में जब स्टेज पर जाता हूँ 2 घंटे में से 40-50 मिनट्स मुझे यही 2 गाने और मैं बोर हो जाता हूँ. स्केल चेंज करके गा दिया, थोड़ा टेम्पो बढ़ा के गा दिया, ऊपर
अनप्लग गा दिया,
अनप्लग से गा दिया,
थोड़ा घंटी वंटी मंदिर मिक्स.
हाँ, एक बार उनको गवा दिया. So I have a million times.
एक चिपमंक वर्जन बना वो नहीं गाया हुआ है कभी.
एक गली बॉय वर्जन भी बना दो. Rap down the hours में. All right. They also want to know that how do you tackle such fan following at such a young age? I know that आपने कहा आपको पसंद है, लेकिन somewhere does it get to you? Like somewhere does it bother you, and somewhere do you want a piece and होता है ऐसा?
कभी कभी
Like one day do you switch off your phone?
हाँ, ऐसे बहुत टाइम है, नॉट वन डे, कुछ दिनों के लिए मैं फोन बंद कर देता हूँ और आई गो आउटसाइड. मैं जैसे ये जब छोगाड़ा और कम्बरिया इट गॉट पॉपुलर, सो मेरे सर पे सारी चीजें ना चढ़ जाए, इसलिए मैंने फोन बंद करके आई वेंट आउटसाइड. मैं इंडिया के बाद 12 दिन हॉलीडे मैंने ले लिया कि अभी इट शुड नॉट गेट टू माई हेड. और आके ही द मोमेंट आई लैंड, नेक्स्ट डे आई गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम Rochak.
Are you serious? How beautiful is that?
Yeah.
Wow, that was destined to happen. That's amazing.
Yeah, so from Gujarati, then I straight away sing Challiya mein.
From Punjabi. Yeah.
From Punjab, Challiya. So we had a great time recording this song as well.
Sure, tell me about it.
It's my first Punjabi.
हाँ, so चलिया में हो रहा था ना उसमें.
Challiya mein, Galliya. So my pronunciation comes. I'm a Gujarati. So they used to laugh and they used to tell me, no, this is not the right pronunciation. You have to sing like this, and this is the pronunciation. I really had a great.
Sundar and our part.
Yeah.
Matlab, it's like Char Chand.
Thank you.
Beautiful it is. It's really beautiful. Rochak, this one is for you. कि कहते हैं पानी का रंग is still as fresh as ever. So how do you feel every time you get to listen to it? Because this was a song you made back then, like 20 years ago, like college days.
Yeah, so it's still as fresh, and I strive to make such melody again. Or because it's so rooted and it's so without any agenda. So जब वो बना था तो वो इतना प्योर था कि कहीं पता नहीं जाना है नहीं जाना है आगे 10 साल बाद क्या करना है. So it just happened for the love of music. So I think that purity to come in me again, I really long for it.
But I think his melodies can never grow.
नहीं
old
अभी
for me.
मतलब I really think that the last year and an year before that, so my melodies have been on the commercial side, and कहीं ना कहीं मैं एक अपना element बीच में छोड़ देता हूँ.
Right.
So I don't want to run away. I don't want to part from that element of mine. So
Sure.
because music is something that I want to do till the last breath of my life. So so I don't want to rush it. So
Right.
yeah.
Right. No, and I think that element is what sets your stuff apart. I think absolutely. So I'm gonna come to my favorite Rochak. My favorite Darshan has already been done, but before that, I'm lost. Where was I? Talking to these lovely people, I'm completely lost. Oh yes, I had to ask you guys. 2019, new year and everything. Now people are into making these resolutions, but I always feel resolutions are for losers. So let's talk about resolutions,
Wow.
right?
Okay.
Right. So any resolutions this year?
नहीं, मेरा तो
Ah.
specific.
Yeah,
Just
so
that-
like every नहीं
No.
वो रहेगी
Please
नहीं.
don't say fitness and I want to
No,
make
रहेगी नहीं.
हाँ, वो तो
50,000.
वो रहेगी नहीं वो 1-2 महीने की बात है.
यार ये तो इनका पर्सनल जोक चल रहा है यहाँ
Sorry, हाँ, we are
पे.
live बात कर रहे हैं.
Oh yes. So like last year also I wanted to do this. I really want to come up with my own like a single or something because I feel that
You
indie
should.
music
You should.
is
I
the
love
way
you for
forward.
that. I love you for that.
So Darshan, I've got one supporter already.
Yeah.
Me too. And everybody who's watching us, I'm sure. Guys, if you agree, we need lots of thumbs ups right now. Go for it.
5 आ गए होंगे.
है ना? आज आ गए होंगे. Okay, we're gonna wrap up with one of my favorite Rocha Kodi songs, and that is Mere Kaaba.
Oh,
That song it does things which are like, I don't know, man. It takes you to a space which is almost spiritual. It's so pretty, Rocha. I don't know how and where you cracked it. Maybe you can take us through that. It'll be nice.
So again, you know, the director's brief was such that, you know, it was married to the film. If you've seen the film, you know, it was married to the film very well. And I just, you know, take that scene into my system, you know, that, and then we make songs.
Wow.
You know, so, and वो moment होता है जब ऐसी चीजें आती हैं. And you know, I remember one RJ friend of mine telling me that, dude, I just got a call from somebody and he said that I was about to commit suicide, and then you played this song and you saved my life.
Oh my God.
So, you know, these are things that are really surreal. So, I'm blessed to, you know, to receive such feedbacks about the songs. And हो सकता है commercially इतना नहीं popular हुआ because of XYZ reasons, but I'm proud to do this song. So, yes.
We're glad you did it. हो जाए. Darshan, you'll sing along. हो जाए. Come on.
I've forgotten it. Are we live?
He keeps asking every 5 minutes.
हो सकता है बैटरी वैटरी खत्म हो गई. Okay.
हो जाए.
मंजिलें हुई गुमशुदा फिर भी रास्ता है तेरा मेहरमा ओ मेरे कारवां तेरी राहों पे रवां ओ मेरे नसीबों में कोई तो दुआ ओ मेरे कारवां ले चल मुझे वहाँ ये रात बने जहाँ सुबह मेरे कारवां मेरे कारवां ओ मेरे कारवां.
Thank you. Alright, before we wrap up, there's gonna be one very, very quick love advice from both of them. Or non-advice, if they don't want to give the love advice, and if their friends basically have always hit them back whenever they followed their advice.
Yeah.
ऐसा हुआ है, or are you good at it? I think I have a feeling
No,
Darshan
no.
is very good at it. All his friend circle comes to him. Right?
Very real. The only advice I would like to tell people is when you like somebody, you tend to change. आप वो अपने आप को आप बदल देते हैं.
क्या बात है?
Because you like that person, so you want to impress that person and change yourself. So वहाँ गड़बड़ हो जाती है. If you don't change yourself, I think things are going to be beautiful and the person is going to love you for what you are. So that is one advice I would.
On point! ये तो यार, applause. Rochak, you gotta beat that now.
No way.
प्यार करो, शादी करो. Straight.
I've been into such situations जहाँ पे कुछ breakup होता है and मेरे पास दोनों पार्टियां आती हैं. एंड मैं दोनों को कुछ कुछ बोलता हूँ और बाद में वो दोनों जुड़ जाते हैं और मैं बुरा बन जाता हूँ. इसकी वजह से.
But we're talking to a happily married man here who has a kid who's adorable, and there must be something that you've learned over the years from your own sort of personal life experiences. So
I think you know I'm fortunate to get a life partner who's always been supportive, and you know we both are supportive of each other, and I've really explored the the family way, and the other things like you also, for that matter. And that's love for me. And I think when I'm in love with my work, that's also very important. So I need to stay true to that. Yeah.
Thank you so
Very
much,
good.
guys. Well done. And is there absolutely anything that we've got here that people are saying they wanna? Can we wrap this up now? Okay. Thank you guys for joining us. This was Rochak and this was Darshan, and we had a gala time. And all the best. And hopefully you'll come here jaldi, like not 6 mahine baad. Thank you. It's a
Thank you.